Okay. In our previous class, we talked about prostitution, right? And so today we are talking addiction, prostitution, addiction, and violence. Among social problems, we are discussing on prostitution, addiction, and violence. And these three are the major social problems in our prevailing in our society. Yes. So that's why prostitution is the illegal sex work for the sake of money, right? We have written some notes on the basis of on the topic of prostitution. Likewise, prostitution is an illegal act for or illegal sex work for the sake of money. But today we are talking on addiction. Do you know, anybody knows what is addiction?
Yes. The
Addiction. You all, please unmute your audio. And what is an addiction?
Interest in something.
And similarly, okay, define addiction once. Define. Hmm? That means addiction means.
Addiction is a great interest of something,
Yeah.
of doing
As per the
something.
definition, addiction is an unusually
engaging in
great
some
interest in something. Okay, that means people in our society are engaging in such addiction, like that's using drugs, using alcohols, using other tobacco, right? These are the addiction. No? Or addiction is also a bad word for our society and for our health as well. Okay, so let's see on the screen. There is the definition of addiction. Introduction. Addiction is a complex condition of brain disease that is manifested by compulsive substance use despite harmful consequence. That means addiction means what? Addiction is a complex condition of brain disease that is manifested by compulsive substance use despite harmful consequences. Means addiction brings harmful condition to the people or to the health of the people. That's why addiction is the brain or complex condition of brain. So here people with addiction substance use uh, disorder, okay, have an intense focus on using certain substances such as alcohol or drugs to the point. Addiction is the complex, okay, addiction is the that's complex condition of our mind. Okay, addiction is a complex condition. In short, if we define addiction, it is the complex condition of our mind. That's what happened. Means that is a brain disease. That is also called brain disease due to the imbalance of our thinking or imbalance of our, let's say, understanding level. We can involve in such addictions like using alcohol or any substance. Any substances that harm to our health are known as addiction, or that may harm the society, or this substance may harm to the society as well. के हुन्छ एडिक्सन भनेको एउटा यस्तो ब्रेनको है अर्थात् त्यो जुन मेन्टल डिमान्ड हो जसले के गर्छ कुनै पनि पदार्थहरू सेवन गर्ने, इभन जाड्रक्सी होस् अथवा any कुनै सब्स्टेन्सहरू गाँजाहरू भए हैन अथवा चरेसहरू भए हैन यस्ता भाङहरू भए यिनीहरू भनेका के हुन्छ भन्दा एडिक्सनहरू that may firstly or at first we use them for only the taste. Only we want to taste at the very beginning, but later on these are or we can develop or this can be developed as our addictions, and that will change in habitual behavior as well. So here you will find the definition of addiction. So see the screen. Addiction is a complex condition of brain disease that is manifested by compulsive substance use despite harmful conditions. Okay, people with addiction substance use a disorder, okay, and have an intense focus on using a certain substances such as alcohol or drugs to the point that it takes over their life. It keep using alcohol. They keep using alcohol or a drug even when they know it will cause problem. Even we know the bad impact of that addiction, but still we are using due to our complex brain condition or complex thinking as well. We know everything. What is the positive, negative impact of using drugs? No, but still people are using it. People like थाहा हुँदा हुँदै पनि यसको नेगेटिभ इम्प्याक्ट यो यसले के अरे नेगेटिभ इम्प्याक्ट पार्छ, इट हार्म्स टु द सोसाइटी, इट हार्म्स टु द इन्डिभिजुअल्स, बट स्टिल दे आर युजिङ र हुँदा हुँदै पनि प्रयोग गरिरहेको पाउन सकिन्छ. द्याट इज द डेफिनेसन अफ एडिक्सन. एन्ड सो similarly, causes. What are some causes of addiction? Can you define or can you tell me some causes of addiction? Why people involved in addiction? Okay. Do you know why people are involving in addiction? What are the causes of addiction? What are the causes of addiction?
Family pressure, bad friend circle,
And similarly,
for show off,
See, the main causes of addiction are especially genetics. Most of 60 to 70% or 50 to 60% addicts are due to genetic problem, or that is genetic cause is the major cause of addiction. Yes, and similarly due to bad circle, okay, or due to bad company, people are engaging in such addictions. And number third one, that's discrimination between son and daughter, right? Discrimination between सन एन्ड डटर, छोरा र छोरीको बिचमा हुने विभेदले पनि के गर्छ भन्दा यो एडिक्सनतिर मान्छेहरूलाई लैजान्छ। एन्ड फर द सेक अफ इन्टरटेन है, फर द सेक अफ इन्टरटेनमेन्ट मान्छेले के गर्छ भने अब सुरुमा खाँदाखेरि के गरिदिन्छ, यो कस्तो मजा हुन्छ ल खान त खा केही हुँदैन भनेर एउटा ब्याड कम्पनीबाट के गर्छ इन्टरटेनमेन्टको लाई दे ओरिजिनेट्स, तिनीहरूले के गर्छन् यो रमाइलो हुन्छ खाँदा केही पनि हुँदैन भनेर सुरुमा खुवाउने काम गर्छन्। बट लेटर अन इट विल चेन्ज इन्टु एडिक्सन, र पछि यो के गएर के भन्छ एडिक्सन बन्छ। So here are the some causes of addiction. Okay, here are some causes of addiction. Say, family history. About 50 to 60% of addictions is due to genetic factor and poor coping skill for dealing with stress. अर्को के हो भने यो स्ट्रेसहरुसँग जुझ्न नसक्नु अर्थात् समस्याहरूलाई सामना गर्न नसक्नु, that is also the causes of drug addiction. And negative thinking such as an all or nothing approach to life, underlying anxiety or depression. And similarly, next one is gender discrimination. Gender discrimination is another cause of addiction, right? How gender discrimination cause, or how gender discrimination make people to engage in addiction means it's due to if the parents give priority to the son, then daughter will feel interfere, right? Or they will feel they have no love, or they have no affection of the, they think the parents doesn't give priority or do not give priority to the son and or to the daughter. That's why our son or daughter may be involved in such addictions. Now you can write, okay? See, family history, about 50 to 60% of addiction is due to genetic factors, poor coping skills for dealing with stress, negative thinking such as an all or nothing approach to life, underlying anxiety or depression, gender discrimination. Beside this,
Sir, fourth one.
word? Which one?
That underlining anxiety or depression, what it
Underlying
means?
anxiety or depression means that is due to stress, no, mental stress, or that's let's say due to some family background, no, family problem, or that social problems as well, and or depression due to their mental torture. Beside this, there are other various causes of addiction like unemployment, right? Illiteracy. These are also the causes of addiction. Okay, so similarly, next one is effects of addiction. Effects of addictions, that means there are various effects. Number one is physical effects, or that is physical indicators. See, physical effect or physical indicators of addictions are red eyes, right? Disturbed sleeping patterns, sudden weight loss or gain, smelling of alcohol or drugs. Okay. Then tremors, lack of coordination and clumsy movement, and increase in injuries are the physical indicators of addiction. These are the physical indicators of addictions. So now write down. कम्पेरिटिभली उनीहरूको रातो हुने गर्छ है, अलवेज रेड है। एन्ड डिस्टर्ब स्लिपिङ प्याटर्न्स, अर्को चाहिँ यो के हुन्छ भने ड्रग्स युज गर्ने मान्छेहरू त्यो सुताइ हुन्छ नि, जुन उनीहरूको जुन सुत्ने समय हुन्छ त्यो सुत्ने समय एकदमै डिस्टर्ब हुन्छ कि, उनीहरू राति निदाउन नसक्ने, निद्रा नलाग्ने होइन, अनि के कुराहरू सोचेर बस्दिने होइन। एन्ड सिमिलरली सडन वेट लस अर गेन, यसले के हुन्छ भने मान्छे सबै दुब्लाउँदै पनि जाने हुन्छ, कोही भने कोही एकदम अस्वाभाविक रूपमा के गर्ने, मोटाउने है। स्मेलिङ अफ अल्कोहल अर ड्रग्स, सधैँभरि के गर्ने, त्यो स्मेलिङ अल्कोहल अथवा ड्रग्सहरूको त्यो स्मेल, त्यो गन्ध लिइरहने खालको हुन्छ कि, त्यो मान्छेहरूले हरेक समयमा लिइराखेका हुन्छन्। अर्को छ यो टर्मर्स है। टर्मर्स भनेको यसलाई एक्ज्याक्टली भन्दा झट्के भन्छ है, त्यो के छिटो रिसाउने टाइपको मान्छे होइन। एन्ड अर्को छ ल्याक अफ कोअर्डिनेसन, अरूसँग साथी सङ्गतमा बस्न नरुचाउने, एक्लै बस्ने होइन, अरू बाहिरी कुराहरू सोचेर बस्दिने होइन। क्लस्मी मोमेन्ट भनेको एज नर्मल हुँदैन उनीहरूको जस्तो। जो नर्मल्ली व्यक्तिहरू के गर्छन् भन्दा, नर्मल दोज हु आर नट गेटिङ इन्भल्भ इन एडिक्सन आर मोर सोसियलाइज है, बट दिज दे आर लेस सोसियलाइज, दोज हु आर इन्भल्भिङ इन एडिक्सन। एन्ड नेक्स्ट वान इज इन्क्रिज इन इन्जरिज है। यसले के गर्छ भन्दा दुर्घटनाहरू निम्ताउने मान्छेहरू गर्छ नि, कहिलेकाहीँ यस्तो एकदमै स्ट्रेस हुँदाखेरि हामी कतिपय देखेका पनि छौँ, हातहरू काटिदिने होइन, खुट्टाहरूमा यस्तो ब्लेडहरूले काटेर, धारिलो वस्तुहरूले काटेर नाम लेखिदिने कसैको होइन, त्यो के भन्छ बिना कामै सुईहरू घोप्ने होइन। यस्तो प्रकारका के हुन्छ भन्दा यो फिजिकल इफेक्ट्सहरू देखा पर्छ। Beside these, here are various इफेक्ट्स अफ एडिक्सन, लस अफ हेल्थ, डिग्निटी, वेल्थ एन्ड मेन पावर है। यसले के गर्छ त भन्दा परिवारको अर्थात् यसले फ्यामिलीको इज्जत प्रतिष्ठा पनि घटाउने काम गर्छ है। एन्ड हिन्डर्स फर पर्सनल एन्ड नेसनल डेभलपमेन्ट। अब आफूले जस्तो हिचकिचावट हुन्छ है, मान्छेले मैले भने भने त कसैले पत्याउँदैन, म त यस्तो लफङ हो, आफैलाई उनीहरूलाई के हुन्छ भन्दा दे फिल हेजिटेट है, दे फिल इन्टरफियर। उनीहरू आफैले के गर्छन्, दे डोमिनेट देमसेल्फ्स, आफूले आफैलाई डोमिनेट गर्छन् कि म यस्तो यो ड्रग्स खाने मान्छेले भनेको कसले पत्याउँछ र, अथवा म मेरो कुरा कसले सुन्छ र भन्ने टाइपको उनीहरूको के हुन्छ, एउटा मेन्टालिटी तयार भएको हुन्छ है। एन्ड सिमिलर इन्क्रिज इन द क्राइम भनेको, अनि स्पेसल्ली ड्यू टु द्याट फिलिङ लोनलीनेस, पिपल मे इन्भल्भ इन, or those addicts may involve in crime as well, or that's increase in injuries. These are the physical indicators of what? Addiction. So here number two, behavior indicators or effects. Behavioral effects है। See, these are the behavioral patterns of, or behavioral effects of using drugs. So first write down them. Okay, among behavioral indicators or effects, decrease interest in activities है। के हुन्छ भने मान्छेहरूले सामान्यतया गर्ने डेली एक्टिभिटीहरू हुन्छ, ती एक्टिभिटीहरूमा खासै चासो नदेखाउने हैन, अर द्याट्स प्यासिभ पार्टिसिपेसन इन एक्टिभिटिज, अलिकति प्यासिभ हुन्छ है। अनि नेग्लेक्ट्स इन रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटी एट होम, स्कुल अर वर्क, उनीहरूले गर्ने काममा भयो, स्कुलको भनौँ न, अर्थात् फर स्टडी हैन, अर द्याट्स होम वर्क हैन, घरमा गरिने कामहरू, स्कुल भए हैन, अथवा अन्य कुनै ठाउँमा गरिने कामहरूमा मान्छेहरू के हुन्छ भन्दा इरेस्पोन्सिबिलिटी बढी हुन्छ यसमा चाहिँ। गेटिङ इन्टु फिनान्सियल प्रब्लम्स, र यो आर्थिक रूपमा पनि मान्छेहरू के गर्छन् भन्दा समस्यामा पर्छन्। नर्मल्ली के हुन्छ, उनीहरूसँग पैसा हुँदैन, अनि त्यसले के गरिदिन्छ त भन्दा अब सधैँभरि उनीहरूको वान दे सेट देयर माइन्ड इन्टु एडिक्सन है। एन्ड गेटिङ इन्टु फिनान्सियल प्रब्लम्स, गेटिङ इन्टु फाइट, र त्यसपछि लडाइँ झगडाहरू गर्ने हैन, ग्रुप फाइटहरू गर्ने, डुइङ सस्पिसियस थिङ्स, नट रिभिलिङ वेयर दे आर गोइङ है, who they are spending time with, how they got hurt in case of injury। यसमा उनीहरूलाई थाहा हुँदैन कि म कहाँ जाँदैछु, मैले के गर्दैछु, के राम्रो के नराम्रो भन्ने तिनीहरूलाई अलिकति कम थाहा हुन्छ। नर्मल्ली एज नर्मल पिपल भन्दा यिनीहरू के हुन्छन्, बढी के अलिकति भनौँ न एग्रेसिभ हुन्छन् है। अनि बिङ मोर insistence on their privacy, keeping doctors locked more often, or refusing to say what they are doing, and avoiding interaction with family and friends। र उनीहरू के हुन्छ भन्दा साथीहरूसँग कुराकानी नगर्ने हैन, अब भनौँ साथी सङ्गतमा घुलमिल हुन नचाहने, समाजमा परिवारलाई आफ्नो समस्या बताउन नचाहने हैन, यस्तो प्रकारको समस्याहरू देखिन सक्छन्। र अर्को छ एभोइडिङ सोसियल सिचुएसन, र उनीहरू समाजबाट पनि अलग बस्न चाहन्छन्। यो बिस्तारै देखा पर्ने चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दा इफेक्टहरू, अर द्याट्स आर दि प्रब्लम्स अफ, द्याट्स बिहेभियरल प्रब्लम्स अफ एडिक्सन। Okay, so better to end class up to here. This much for today. We'll continue this lesson by tomorrow. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. If done, time is almost finished now. Okay.